welcome back to my Sichuan kitchen. It's been more than a year since I uploaded my last video, and it's because I had a baby, and her name is Amy, and she is 5 months old now. So I've been working really hard to get back and find time to make videos for you guys again. And thank you for being so patient waiting for my next video. And I've gotten comments asking me to come back and make another video, and that means a lot to me. Thank you guys so much. As a new mom, it's been really hard for me to find time to go to multiple groceries. I used to go to my local Chinese grocery store, I go to Trader Joe's, I go to Whole Foods. So doing that is not practical anymore. So today I want to show you how to make Sichuan hot pot with the ingredients only from Yamibuy, an online shopping platform where you can order all kinds of Asian groceries, and Costco. So today we're gonna do something really cool. We're gonna go to Costco and do some shopping, and we're gonna come back and do an unboxing of my Yamibuy order. And by the end of the video, we're gonna have Sichuan hot pots. So let's stay tuned and let's get started. We are at Costco, yay! First, I like to get these tomatoes to make a tomato hot pot base. A bunch of tomatoes are perfect for the soup base. Next is the chef's sampler organic mushrooms, so yummy. Also, I got some broccolis for veggies. Don't miss out on these quail eggs, they are amazing for hot pot and you get a great deal from Costco. And of course, the hot pot beef rolls. Here is our haul from Costco, super easy. Let's check out what I got from Yamibuy. These potato noodles are my favorite for hot pot. These are bean curd rolls for hot pot. They only take 3 seconds to cook. Konjac nuts are great for hot pot and they're super healthy. Dried bean curd stick. And of course, Haidilao tallow hot pot base. This is my go-to hot pot base. If you haven't tried Spam in hot pot, you are missing out. This is my favorite brand. Sriracha sauce. It's great for hot pot dipping sauce. And we're going to have this coconut juice for drink. It brings me back to the time in China. Here is everything we got from Yamibuy. Our cat Bao loves to break the bubbles from the shipment. Now let's make the tomato soup base. You need garlic, ginger, and tomatoes. Wash the tomatoes and chop into slices. The slices don't need to be too small since we're going to cook them into a soup. Slice a piece of ginger. Slice a few garlic cloves. Take out about 2 teaspoons Sichuan peppercorn. Start the fire, add olive oil, about 1 to 2 tablespoons. Drop in ginger and garlic. Let the aromatics simmer in the oil until fragrant. Then add tomatoes. Drop in Sichuan peppercorn. Now add water until it covers the ingredients. Next, season with salt, about 1 to 2 teaspoons. Mix well and let boil for 15 minutes, or until tomato is almost melting. For the hot side, I'm using this Haidilao tallow hot pot base. It's made in the USA and the flavor is very balanced, aromatic and not too spicy. Simply add the tallow hot pot base to one side of the hot pot. Add boiling water until 75% full. Then pour the tomato soup into the other side. Add water until 75% full. Cover and the soup is ready. To prepare the quail eggs, simply hard boil them in water and peel. Submerge the bean curd sticks in hot water and it will be ready in 30 minutes. Alright guys, this is everything we're eating today for hot pot. We got beef rolls from Costco. We have Spam, that's from my Yamibuy order. And we have quail eggs. These are hard-boiled and then peeled. We have cognac noodles. These are from Yamibuy, and rehydrated bean curd stick. This is fried soybean curd roll. This only takes 3 seconds to cook in hot pot, and it's especially made for hot pot, and it's really good. And today we're using sriracha sauce for hot pot dipping sauce. For vegetables, we have mushrooms from COSTCO and broccoli from COSTCO as well. And lastly, we're eating some potato noodles, and these are from Yamibuy. Well, I cannot wait to eat this delicious hot pot. It is super special because it's the first hot pot I made after having my baby. Let's cook and eat. Alright guys, COSTCO's beef roll, let's give it a try. I like to put quail eggs and spam in the spicy side and vegetables and mushrooms in the plain side. They make the soup even better, and you can drink the soup later. Since we only shopped at COSTCO for fresh ingredients, the variety of veggies is less, but nothing beats having hot pot at home with your loved ones. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching today's video. It feels really good coming back to make videos again. I'll see you on the next one.